We're in the Mar Vista Tract in Mar Vista, California. This is in the west side of LA. We're just east of Venice Beach. Beautiful, beautiful neighborhood. And this was designed as a neighborhood of affordable homes drawing together as a community. The Mar Vista Tract, as the architect Gregory Ain liked to call it, is a collection of mid-century modern homes designed on a small scale to bring architecture to middle-class families. They're all designed the same with a simple floor plan that can be switched around, moving things in like a pinwheel, so they each look a little bit different. They all have driving courts, some have had garages added, and some have been added onto. So each home has flexibility. The living room could be expanded. The wall to the primary bedroom was a panel that could be opened up to expand the living room or create a third bedroom. So you could have 1, 2, or 3 bedrooms in this design. The kitchens were also open, but were designed to be closed off with Venetian blinds and wood. This was designed to be a park-like area. Gregory Ain was a socialist. His father was a socialist. He believed that homes were for the masses. There were 52 homes built in this tract. They were called modernique homes, being modern in architectural design and unique in how they lived. The tract was not a success. The homes cost about $12,000 when they were built, where neighboring homes, newer homes on blocks, were costing more like $5,000 to $6,000. This is about a lifestyle, and they've been extremely popular since then, creating a real sense of community. Part of that was achieved by the landscape architecture of Garrett Eckbo, creating a park-like setting. Each street has a different boulevard set of trees. They vary from street to street. Each block had a different type of tree. Along the boulevard here is melaleuca trees. On the neighboring street, we'll see magnolias. There was a soft palette of color here on the houses as well, and each one played off that palette inside and out. A little bit more vibrant inside, but all within that theme of color. Lots of people have done their own landscaping in front. Trees here are all magnolia trees along the boulevard. This neighborhood was the first neighborhood built after World War II that got an overlay zoning so that you cannot change the exterior of the properties. There's been a lot of teardowns and rebuilds in the area. This protects this neighborhood, which has a wonderful neighborhood feeling and a really pulling together feeling. Thanks for joining us here in California, checking out houses here as well. Remember, in real estate, this bud for you.